at the kitchen again. When you go towards the side, the staircase to the master, and this is for the kids. This bathroom is adorable because the sinks and the toilet are low for them. Nice shower. Nothing spectacular, but very cute. Bright bedrooms. Cute little closet here, sufficient. No doors though, I don't know where they went. It might be in the basement. And this is the other one, and also so cute. With a little space there. And I'm gonna go here. I'm going to go to the garage. So the garage is here, and I love that this is sort of sunk. There's nothing here, just but this mud room is nice. Opens to the garage, big garage, storage and all. And then that door connects to a massive closet. And there's an alarm system, keeps beeping, which is here, and which is great. There's no light. Bummer. But it is a big, big closet for coats and boots and things. That was that bathroom, TV hooked, and this. And now, this way to the master. Fits quite a few of our stools too. This way to the master.